How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet using credit card. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet using a credit card. To do so, first of all, open your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your wallet account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Here in this main screen, you will be able to see this buy button. Tap on this buy button next to receive, and by doing so, you will be able to purchase cryptocurrency directly. Here in this page, you will need to search for the crypto you would like to purchase. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto from the list. You will need to select it, and once selected, you will reach inside it. Here now you will need to specify the amount of crypto you wish to purchase. After specifying the amount, now select the payment method. You can simply tap on it and select credit card option. Once you have selected it, you can return back and then tap on this buy with credit card option. You will need to complete this payment, and after completing, the purchased cryptocurrency will be credited to your Trust Wallet. You can go and check your Trust Wallet account in order to check that crypto. So by following these steps, you can easily buy cryptocurrency on Trust Wallet using a credit card. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.